Hey, welcome to episode 71 of Credit 101. And in this episode, we're going to talk about how you guys can prepare your taxes for free or help getting your taxes prepared if you guys don't know how to prepare your taxes. Now, let me go on my tangent early. I learned how to do my taxes before I was 18. I went straight to TurboTax and learned how to just literally fill in a few things and have them prepared. Never got audited or anything like that. So maybe you guys want to look into learning how to prepare them yourself. And especially guys, if you're a business owner, if you learn how to prepare them yourself, you're going to learn different things like, okay, next year I had too much income and these are different things I could have deducted. Next year, I'm going to, or the year that you're in, whatever year it is, I'm going to make sure that I buy more equipment for my business. I'm going to do go on more business meetings and things like that to get the write off. And that's just to make sure that you don't pay that much taxes. You can play with the numbers and see, okay, if I would have did this, I would have got that. And that's why I tell people to learn how to prepare their own taxes. Okay. Now I'm not saying if you guys already have somebody prepare your taxes that you should not, but I think that you will learn so much if you learn how to prepare your own taxes, especially if you guys don't know that much about different write-offs and things like that. You're going to learn a lot of that, and you're going to learn how a lot of different things factor into your credit. But if you don't own a business or anything like that, still TurboTax may be good for you. I know TurboTax do have a free option. I don't know if they changed that. They did have a free option, so definitely look into that. So definitely go to TurboTax and see if they still have their free option, or if you guys have a baby or whatever, if you owe a bill with them, or even if you didn't have a baby, if you owe a bill with them, or you still get a refund, they can take that small amount that you owe as a fee for preparing your taxes. They can take that small amount out of your refund. So right before you get the refund, they'll take their small amount out. And I like this, you all. Let me tell you why I like it, because I hear a lot of people paying a lot of money to get their taxes done. They're getting audited. They're going to all these different companies. And I just think that if you learn how to do your taxes, you can be, especially if you don't have a business, you can have all this stuff done for less than $100. You know exactly what's going on. You know how different things work. You can prepare your own taxes. You don't need to have nobody say, hold on, I need to do this, I need to do that. You don't need to do none of that. You don't have to go to a place. You can do it yourself. So definitely learn how to do it. Also, the IRS on their website, they do have something where you can prepare your taxes yourself. And also, Cash App sent me something like prepare your taxes. And I'm like, Cash App, I am not going to let you do that. But they did have something like that. And also, I used to, when I first started helping people with credit, I used to go to the library and help people um repair their credit at the library, but they always had the free forms, and they always had sometimes people come in to help them actually prepare their taxes. So if you guys are older, look into different programs in your community where you can actually get someone to help you prepare the taxes. But you guys can definitely prepare your taxes for free. Just Google free tax preparation companies. But I really honestly promote TurboTax. Like seriously, do the TurboTax, and then they also have something called audit defense. So if you were to be audited, at least you guys can have someone within TurboTax help you with that audit, so you're not by yourself. That's for those people that's scared. But definitely they have it there for you. So I do promote that. If you guys know of any other thing, definitely put it down below. If you guys have tried these different things, please let me know, especially if you try Cash App, because I just haven't. But then you gotta think about it. Credit Karma bought Intuit, which is TurboTax. Intuit TurboTax. So I guess we can't look at it like that. It's like having Credit Karma do your taxes now. So maybe, Cash App is on another level I didn't know about, but it's still amazing. So definitely look into these different companies. Let me know how your experience went. I'll see you guys in the next video.